Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create, schedule, and publish a blog post using GoHighLevel. If you don't know how to create your blog posts, this tutorial is for you. So log into GoHighLevel, then head over to Sites tab on the left sidebar and select Blogs, and open your blog page by clicking on it. Remember, you should already have your blog contents ready before you do this. Now, click on the New Post button, and here you need to put your title. Then you need to edit the blog's cover image. So click the Change button right here and choose your cover image that you should already have created and saved on GoHighLevel. Then you need to add an alt text. Alt text is important for SEO. This helps search engines understand what an image is about. Lastly, don't forget to add a post description, which is a short summary that tells readers what the blog post is about. If you're done, click Create Post. This will open up a new window with a sample format that you can edit or you can delete. Now let's start with the title on top with the large and bold text. Next, you can add the content that you prepared. You can also insert an image by clicking the three dots on the top right. Then go to Insert Image. Click this button right here, then Upload from Media Library and choose the image that you want to insert. Don't forget to add an alt text for this image. Then click the Insert Image button, and you will see the image inserted inside your blog content. You can also edit the text. So let's highlight the word or phrase that we want to edit. We can make it bold, italicized, and or underlined. You can also make these words into a hyperlink, which is a clickable link in a text or image. So click the insert link and type the link or URL that you want to insert, and click the Add Link button. And now you will see that the words turn blue, indicating that it is now clickable. The second part of this video tutorial will be in my next video, so make sure you watch it. See you in the next video.